How would you like to earn $260 or more every day while you sleep? Sounds amazing, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do just that by creating an AI-powered membership site. Are you ready to learn the secrets of passive income? Let's dive in. What is a membership site? Before we jump into the details, let's talk about what a membership site is. Imagine you have a special club and people pay to be part of it. That's basically what a membership site is. It's a website where people sign up and pay money every month to get access to the cool stuff you offer. This could be fun videos, helpful advice, or even AI-generated content that makes their lives easier. Why AI is a game changer. Now, you might be wondering, what's AI got to do with all this? Well, AI is like having a super smart robot friend who can help you create tons of awesome content for your members. It can write articles, take pictures, or even answer questions for your members. This means you can offer more value to your members without having to work extra hard yourself. Pretty neat, huh? Choosing your membership site topic. The first step in creating your money-making membership site is picking a topic. Think about what you love doing or what you're good at. Do you love playing guitar? Maybe you could make a membership site teaching people how to play. Are you great at drawing? You could create a site where people learn to draw awesome pictures. The key is to choose something you enjoy because that will make it fun for you and your members. Planning your content. Once you've got your topic, it's time to plan what kind of cool stuff you'll offer your members. This could be video lessons, fun quizzes, or even monthly challenges. The goal is to make your members feel like they're getting something super valuable for their money. Remember, happy members mean more money for you. Setting up your website. Now comes the tech part, setting up your website. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. There are lots of easy-to-use tools out there that can help you create a professional-looking site without needing to be a computer genius. Look for platforms that are specifically made for membership sites. They usually have all the features you need to get started. Integrating AI into your site. Here's where the magic happens. Adding AI to your site. There are many AI tools out there that can help you create content, answer member questions, or even personalize the experience for each member. You could use AI to write articles, create images, or even make videos. The cool thing is, once you set it up, the AI can keep working even when you're not. Pricing your membership. Now, let's talk money. How much should you charge for your awesome membership? A good rule of thumb is to start low and raise your prices as you add more value. You could start at $10 a month and work your way up. Remember, if you get 26 members paying $10 a day, that's $260 a day. And that's just the beginning. Marketing your membership site. You've got your site set up, your AI working hard, and your price is set. Now it's time to tell the world about your amazing membership. Use social media to share sneak peeks of what members get. Make fun videos showing off your site. Tell all your friends and family. The more people who know about your site, the more members you can get. Keeping your members happy. Once you've got members, it's super important to keep them happy. Listen to what they want and try to make your site even better. Use AI to help you understand what your members like and what they want more of. Happy members are more likely to stick around and tell their friends about your awesome site. Scaling your business. As your membership site grows, you can start to think bigger. Maybe you could add different levels of membership with cooler perks. Or you could create spin-off sites on different topics. The sky's the limit. And remember, with AI helping you out, you can grow your business without having to work 24/7. You might consider hiring a virtual assistant to help with customer service as you grow. Or you could partner with other experts to offer exclusive content to your members. The key is to keep finding ways to add more value and reach more people. Dealing with challenges. Of course, running a membership site isn't always easy. Sometimes tech stuff can go wrong, or you might have a hard time coming up with new ideas. But don't worry, these are normal problems that everyone faces. The key is to not give up. Keep learning, keep improving, and remember why you started in the first place. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. If you're feeling stuck, reach out to other online entrepreneurs for advice. There's a whole community of people out there who have been where you are and are happy to help. The power of community. One of the coolest things about a membership site is the community you create. Your members aren't just paying for content. They're becoming part of a group of people who share the same interests. Encourage your members to talk to each other, share their progress, and support each other. This sense of community can be what makes your site special and keeps people coming back month after month. You could organize virtual meetups or challenges to get members interacting. Some of your most engaged members might even become advocates for your site, helping to bring in new members. Balancing AI and personal touch. While AI is super helpful, it's important to remember that your members are real people who want to connect with you too. Make sure to pop in regularly to say hi, answer questions, and show that there's a real person behind the site. This personal touch, combined with the power of AI, can make your site unbeatable. You might do live Q&A sessions or send personalized birthday messages to members. Even small gestures can make a big difference in how connected your members feel to you and your site. Continuous learning and improvement. The world of AI and online business is always changing, and that's exciting. Keep learning about new AI tools and ways to make your site better. Ask your members what they want. Try new things. The more you learn and improve, the more valuable your site becomes, and the more money you can make. Set aside time each week to read industry blogs or take online courses. You might even attend conferences or workshops to network with other entrepreneurs. Remember, investing in your knowledge is investing in your business. Celebrating your successes. As your membership site grows and you start seeing that $260 or more coming in every day, don't forget to celebrate your wins. Whether it's your first member, your 100th member, or your first $1,000 day, take time to feel proud of what you've accomplished. Your success can inspire others to follow their dreams too. So there you have it, friends. That's how you can create an AI-powered membership site that could earn you $260 or more every single day. Remember, it takes work to get started, but once you're up and running, you could be making money while you sleep, play, or do whatever you love. How awesome is that? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to learn more about making money online, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Share this with your friends who might want to start their own online business too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming big and making those dreams come true.